But you know what to saying?
You know me who you but you know so.
You know dum kakra. Me who you. Me pa. Enkway.
And maybe one more time so. See you no account time now say na.
We are nam say go cut time this year. We didn't say unu a. Edi so say you say me ko hair time. I think I'm back am say David.
Okay.
Ma me skip ni anko.
Easy.
Now what to say?
Oh, nyame adon race.
Say me ba studio na me Luis Enrique din commenti. He be sorted.
Are only no business be?
Oh, yeah, me friend that check ra. Before grow cover PSG bobo go no.
Did our friend say on your day?
Oh, say madam for any din komo na be see mo game nim. Ti din komo.
Ono no match obo en enyume.
Yeah, omone a red card FC for no.
Ono dina o kan so are wa prepare ni ade an.
So say madam for no din komo na bisa so how far call France has in komo bibris azo.
Mo nche dan ni.
And din komo ni ma no. And on the game no. As a banner, yeah, discuss it. Okay, kill them.
You do. Now, Rich. Yesterday, let me catch you say. Sometimes, if you are a big club or Champions League anymore, sometimes the way our football echo now saying, especially in the Champions League, it may not be an advantage again. You say, as analysts, usually we do very, very cogent arguments about the pedigree of the club, the history of the club, and its animal. Right? We are getting to the point in football where that argument very soon will be rendered useless by almost every time both teams in any results. Probably, almost all the arguments will be hinged on two teams near bottom. And whether or not they are good enough to get a result in the night. And I think we got results that were like that. I want us to start from Istanbul, but for me, this is where I want to start from. Which we a young player. Now, say oko nyema nkunye mainstream Europe. You went somewhere to 10. Now what you back to Europe? Usually a tech in oko because Turkey is a Euro-Asian nation. Of course, in terms of football, Europe, they play European competitions. Sports lights, no one they have the money to also sign players. But for emotional reasons, some person go back to Europe, don't go to Turkey.
What reason is that?
They know how to let players fall in love with the club. Once you don't look back again.
Like Victor Osimhen, on point news.
Yes, on Senia. Omo fall in love with the club. Last season, both season you know. A traditional Turkish culture bia. Omo obia players in the family, immediate family, bebe side ni ade. Osimhen mentioned that he felt a lot of love in Naples, but the kind of love he's getting in Istanbul, it is going to trump that what he saw at Naples. I think Nhyira was the next level of that. You best starting game. Then the mural of Turkey usually for home teams is about the dominance of the club. Oh, Yeni Aje 6 trophies, Yeni Aje 5, Yeni World Cup champions, Yeni Aje. But Galatasaray did not do that. What they sought to do is to let Osimhen understand, say, and that is what they are doing. It was a mural of the late Victor Osimhen Mame. Osimhen, ni Mame awe free mu, ni mural. And seven on the room, and I all share two pictures. One, so watch this bottom left corner of my screen now. Almost be green. It's the young Victor Osimhen who had played under 17 World Cup and a 20 World Cup as a young Nigerian player. Plus, and then Osimhen when what's in the baba, I send him. Which that was the mural. Now it will maybe Osimhen had to go close to the mural and look at it well. Say, I didn't go for you. Omukache say, "Oh, I'm a show, and we are proud of you." Oh, you're a young boy now, person, don't go to Turkey because can't remember be. Then they'll show you love. Probably what the Man United, Chelsea, because sometimes Osimhen say a chance maybe Uncle Chelsea and Manchester United, and maybe like the fans will turn on him. But these guys, it's unconditional, and they show the love. Which I loved it yesterday, and this is the image. I think there's even a clearer one. Just look at the image. On your screen, so small Victor Osimhen and Osimhen penny Nikita in same plus neba, and a name Mami Debim, and all shadow with a smile, saying that I'm proud of you, and of course, Oshasi Onoma, literally paying tribute to now Victor Osimhen Mami, and it sets the tone for the game. Which is there a reason why Osimhen is not in the top clubs? Anytime they are Gala, he will be good. We'll come back to it though. Oshia Van Dijk. Any Bukunati, probably top 5 of the best centre back pair in terms of physicality, ball playing ability, defensive awareness, aerial duels, everything. Now, Oshan can be a big question to Osimhen. Osimhen will be he is better than them or Boom. And then he battered them.
No, Osimhen there's where Napoli.
No, that is not the problem. It's not a shock. What I'm saying is that you can play Napoli against Bremen. You can play against Bastoni, but Saúl against Virgil van Dijk, who a lot of people consider say in the modern game. If you want the best centre back, he's part of them. Then you've really shown.
But Osimhen super catchers, Oko Italia, they have the best defense. No mabo. Ever Van Dijk.
Oh, but
Van Dijk more deep because of the Premier League. How popular na you know. But so open defender, obe chow, obe ma bibi ebia. Oko Italia. I mean, you sure say. Van Dijk money and you know.
Oh, Rich, there is no defender who Italian Serie A anymore. And even in the last 5 years, who has been better than Veg.
That's your opinion, indeed.
Oh,
I won't begrudge you.
This is Veg.
Me Van Dijk consider a good man.
I can understand, but you see, it comes back to every day. It comes back to the ecosystem and the as a co-advantage. I would do and me tobacco amount. Who won't say shit. Me catch you say, oh, I have issues with Gianluigi Donnarumma. Who see you coffee? Goalkeeper. Or the Paris Saint-Germain Kodja Ballon d'Or, top best goalkeeper, you know. Virgil has won the best centre back in Europe. Won the Ballon d'Or for a centre back. Being on the podium, not one. Being on the podium. So in terms of centre backs, there are only a few, and none of them is close to Virgil van Dijk, and that is fact. I don't have any opinion. It's rich for Victor Osimhen to be dominant and batter and now Tiba Yefero, Liverpool and the 2 centre backs. I was proud as an African man. Imagine Victor in a team creating more, man. Imagine him in a Man City. Imagine him even in this United team. I don't think they are good enough in terms of creation. But just imagine in that team. Imagine Victor Osimhen in this Chelsea team with proper creators like Cole Palmer, Enzo Fernandez, and Osimhen ahead of them. But I don't know how. Those sporting directors decided to overlook a Brent and Osimhen. Just quickly on the game. Me pedia Galatasaray for coaching here. First, now in the past, Galatasaray have a game be against the big boys. Players are almost free Europe or carry an equity and starting. If you look at Galatasaray in recent times, they don't start with those players. They play players that will be able to affect the game. Not players are they didn't start Gunwan. They didn't start Leroy Sané. No. It was Mario Lemina who are ready to play the game. It was Osimhen. It was Wilfred Singomo. And that is why I believe strongly now Senna and now Galafon were going to be able to do the job. At the Tottenham Hotspur Stadium, Diego Simeone sre, William Alvarez sre, but then one man didn't laugh. It was our brand friend Antonin Kinski.
I ran in the situation and see also. Goalkeeper 17 minutes near UFM.
But see, David Ye Kasimbi. Or say, no one who hasn't been a goalkeeper can understand how difficult it is to play in this position. Keep your head up and you will go again. And me understood why I got to the in the film. And your goals not considered, He was distraught. It had affected him. So there was the need to change him and bring him in. Which and now results means that 4 games I got to the bar we're losing. All of them he has lost. Then the big one at St. James Park. Everything that I expected in the game happened. I'm sure everything I studied and I said in the game happened. The only thing that did not happen and was my worry and was one thing manka. And I don't credit myself because manka. Me titi evening and say, I didn't say this. Newcastle's application, and yet, which and Aston Villa, and the near Barca the Bomian na me Chelsea did. I'm trying to talk about the English Premier League teams. They could have played the way Newcastle played, but they would have been better in terms of finishing those chances. Almost Jai Barcelona.
Yeah.
And from Enuna, Barca for me, oh, we didn't play well, but then we got the draw. Oh, yeah, the draw never called Camp Nou. Camp Nou there, heading for Newcastle for. But in that match, Newcastle have a lot. I believe almost Jai or if you didn't show him, and we Jai or one or Barca be heading. And then I was so disappointed. Anthony Elanga.
Inexperience, I know.
Rich.
Champions League night now. You the pedigree we have.
You see, Rich.
This is I'm not born now Newcastle boy. So Chelsea be a naya. Come to Barcelona 7.
Exactly.
7 go be a show.
You see, Rich. Anything I make us say.
Inexperience.
Yes.
We need pedigree near the ball. Champions League level now I do know.
You see, sometimes also maybe make use of a different word. I think just the occasion. And it will still be the same as an experience. But the occasion, the night, sometimes overthinking your man, you don't have to overthink it because there are a lot of balls that Newcastle should have finished up. But my biggest worry was that only Frankie Young, in your time in your post-match analysis. But only Frankie Young, that's only Pedro Gonzalez. Or Pedro Gonzalez and Kwame Makbanala. They may not retain the possession as much for you. And throughout the game, from the blast of the whistle, Barca were going long. And I'm saying, hey, you go long here, you are in trouble. Newcastle won the second balls, but of course, the quality of Football Club Barcelona, Abrante friend Danny Olmo came on, patience, calm, won the penalty, and Abrante friend Lamine Yamal was able to do the job. We'll see how next week is going to be like, but there is something for team my friend Bayern Munich. Mekanenra said they are the big team and Confucian and mom a lot of the credit, but going away to Bergamo, I know Palladino. I follow Palladino's work a lot of the time in the last few years since I started a young coach to now with Thiago Motta. There was no way he was going to stand a chance here. And Gasparini, he would have gone man for man aggressive and gotten something from the game. But Palladino is just not there as a manager. And kudos to Vincent Kompany for getting the job done. Rich. And the match is needed. The first two, no, I'll go straight for you. I don't see Arsenal losing away at Leverkusen.
Okay.
It's an Arsenal double chance in over 1.5, most likely. I think that there's going to be a go at Bodo Glimt and then Sporting CP. Most likely, an over 2.5 is going to come through Osama match. But let's go to the two big games. One at the Santiago Bernabeu, and of course the other one, the Parc des Princes. Madrid for injury issues, no a big worry, but still there's quality. When you say Europe now, two teams now both the most competitive matches, Madrid and Chelsea. And maybe it is also telling the kind of performance that Madrid and saying a lot of tiredness is in them, which we're expecting some Madrid for going to a game now with Mendy, Rudiger, Asensio, Trent, Valverde, Goulet, Tchouameni, Camavinga, Vinicius Jr. and your brand here, your friend Gonzalo Garcia winning one, of course, with Thibaut Courtois. For Manchester City, Matthias Nunes, Ruben Diaz, Magay, your friend Ryan Ent-Nori, Rodri, Silva, Nico Reali, Doku, Haaland, and your brand here, your friend Antoine Semenyo. Two of the best goalkeepers in the world. Donnarumma versus Courtois.
Yeah.
And both of them, in the lead up to Mutim's winning Champions League, both of them were decisive. Is it going to be hinge on the goalkeepers? And maybe one of those because the game is going to be open.
Sure. Keepers in the play. Key role and you may our game them. Two goalkeepers in
Who do you think will come out tops? Donnarumma and Asetibo.
Because Madrid the Buffy, they will come at you. Because Champions League is one teams that are winning no hopes to be said. Say your good scorer in the first leg, second leg,
yeah.
Would you coffee? A bit me wow.
But Ujiri said Madrid team is weak and as compared to the City team.
Kakra.
Because Madrid fans no cry be no. Their team is a little bit weak as compared to Manchester City when they play against.
Because Madrid team no more omundi na hawo kra no. Team na ni enim no first re ni bia say prepare.
Again,
it's a number from
going to the touchline. Alvaro Arbeloa, Josep Guardiola,
Pep any day.
So does that give a straight advantage? Because I would say team slightly.
And Shadam Susa.
Is it because of
Madrid is Madrid when it comes to Champions League?
Okay, so first one is because of Madrid and the boss I'm talking about.
So Kenya Madrid, yeah, me to call for City.
Vini see a partner. Sure. Single-handedly, with my
game changer.
With my turning around for him.
Yeah.
But City have Doku, Haaland, and Brent friend Antoine Semenyo. I don't know. I have a little theory. I think Zene Pep has exactly what he's looking for a game like this against Team Friend Real Madrid. Why do I say that? I think he will not try to build up a lot to force turnovers here. What I feel Pep will do is that in this channel, he would want to pair Antoine Semenyo along with whoever plays at Madrid left back on. Whether it's going to be Carreras or Semenyo, and that is going to be the outlet for them to get extra or late chance or box team to abandon their friend Erling Haaland. I anticipate a very exciting game. Again, one of those games where I feel like the goals will come either team of 1.5 to win. So we may win here. I think it's a game you be away at the Etihad, and that's where we are going to see it. Liam Rossini come back to France. Now see the Enrique saying.
I say revenge.
I say revenge.
You know, no catch me. Say revenge. Was it that game of farm? Say oh, so we did pre-season.
Club World Cup final.
Say no more fan World Cup.
Club World Cup final pre-season.
Aye, was in a pre-season. When we fan so pre-season tournament. Well, Bar Park and no say, me go for the red card FC or World Cup gidi. What's in the number we adwuma no. To say you may no more board. Ti o say asoma men kan kire wan. E say ya ade. Say ya.
I say most are the same mistake am here Club World Cup final.
Mistake bia say ya. O say no me she go bia say ya.
You make us say
kill them.
I say most are the same mistake.
Mistake ben here.
I say almost everybody they wrote Chelsea off. Most are the same mistake again. You Enrique say no dey revenge man. The car on a pre-match press conference, no. Momo Kuko
Madam Funeno.
He said that this is not a revenge game.
Okay.
And he has to be very careful when he's playing against Chelsea. Or we'll be Liam Rossini about the issues over there. Nah, Chelsea are good news with the return of a branch friend in Levi Cole. But the thing is that Levi is not going to play against Paris Saint-Germain. Chelsea for now hope is at least Obebo one match before he goes through. Now there is a quick thing I want to talk about. So when possible starting lineup we are. Who is against Villa? Or the goalkeeper about Philip Jorgensen? And no more Rexham Sanchez. So we are young Rossini. Are you going with Philip Jorgensen or Philip or Sanchez?
Sanchez.
What about Sanchez?
Because of experience.
Because of the experience, or. But again, in the final of the Club World Cup, Enzo Maresca boy, you know. Obo Levi Cole with one of the other centre back, I think it was Chalobah. And it was because he wanted the ball playing ability of Levi. Rich, and there is no ball playing centre back for Chelsea at Chirono. Goalkeeper not seeing too comfortable on the ball, so also was Sanchez. Paris Saint-Germain will press. Is it not right to go with a comfortable ball playing goalkeeper in Philip Jorgensen? Drop Robert Sanchez like Aston Villa. Manimbe can build up now and then find the spots to locate to runners.
If you wrap up,
I can understand where you're coming from. Say, oh, a Champions League, it's about moments. The best shot stoppers and goalkeepers make a lot of the difference, 100%. But on the other side, somebody also look at Philip Jorgensen. I think they made the biggest decision for Abenti friend and Liam Rossini and enemy. Whether it goes right or wrong, hindsight, we'll talk about it. But we expect Fofana, Chalobah, James Kukurea, Santos Caicedo, Palmer, Enzo Fernandes, Neto, and Joao Pedro Echoni. We expect inside Abenti friend Ousmane Dembele will come. I don't think that Liam Rossini should go with Santos, and I don't think it will happen. I think Gusto starts on the right. With James Fifi, if you want him, just like a template from Abenti friend Enzo Maresca. Then for Paris Saint-Germain, we expect the starting midfield. There is a big problem with Paris Saint-Germain and Fifi. You know, the absence of Fabian Dury, the absence of Jean Neves, and then of course the introduction of Drew Fernandez and Abenti friend Warren Zara Emery. Vitinha alone may have to go and deal with this game. I think it's going to be a very, very physical battle. That's one of the things I'm very certain about this game is that and you go.
Okay.
All
right.
Both of the teams are definitely going to get their goal. was our match. So we wait to see how the game is going to pan out. I had more china. You have the post match analysis. And Greens ebaye. Na na baby boys no. As will be team debate no. But how come they were able to get the win? I'm saying ensure power sports so there. That's what we do. When everywhere people are not able to win coats near the head, they are winning. Congratulations to guys now. We'll go again. We want to go on a street till Saturday in team. I remember and coats and then the no a BW 44524F21. Second one a BW 445225654. Third one a BW 4451E3F1. Then the last one a BW 4451A8D1. These are the codes. Oko Fifi man for social media knows. I've been with the other ones thing in our home.
Okay.
I'll wait to me the account.
Yeah, that's a coffee. That's a patch. Nana, yenya bre. Erura aye game. Na chefo ya damasina.